In this question, we are asked to factorize x squared minus x minus 12. Remember guys, I said if your coefficient is 1, you can straight go out into creating your brackets. And then let's check. Do we have a highest common factor here? No, we don't have a highest common factor. That is the first thing we check. Okay? And then guys, because this is 1, there's only one way this can break. It can only break into x times x. So you can break into x and x. Ne? Now you need to look for two numbers that will add to the middle term. So you look for two numbers. When you add, they must give you -1. When you multiply them, they must give you -12. And those numbers are -4 and +3. When you add -4 and +3, you are going to get -1. When you multiply them, you get -12. And now you're going to have -4 plus 3. Someone can say +3 -4. It doesn't matter which order you put them in. And that's it with this factorization, ladies and gentlemen. So I want to leave a learner note. NB. If you have x squared plus bx plus c, you need to find, as long as this is 1, you must ensure that here you have 1. As long as the a is 1, you just need to find two numbers that add to b and multiply to c. So they must add to b and multiply to c. And then you're just gonna create two brackets, x, and you put those numbers there. And then that is fully factorized. Thank you very much.